Recover your iCloud email address and password.
Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to retrieve your iCloud email address and password. If you have forgotten your iCloud credentials, don't worry, Apple provides several methods to recover them. In this video, we're going to guide you through these steps, so let's get started.
What do I need before we start?
Before we dive into the recovery process, make sure you have the following requirements: your Apple device, be it iPhone, iPad, or Mac, a secondary email address or a trusted phone number associated with your Apple ID, personal details that you used while setting up your Apple ID. Remember, it's crucial to keep your recovery information up to date, to prevent future difficulties in retrieving your account.
How can I retrieve my iCloud email address?
If you have forgotten your Apple ID, which is usually your iCloud email address, follow the steps below. 1. Go to the Apple ID page. 2. Click on Forgot Apple ID or Password link. 3. Click on Look It Up. 4. Provide your first name, last name, and email address. 5. Click Continue. Apple will then provide you with your Apple ID, given that the information entered is correct and matches what they have on file.
How can I retrieve my iCloud password?
To reset your iCloud password, follow these steps. 1. Go to the Apple ID page. 2. Click on Forgot Apple ID or Password link. 3. Enter your Apple ID, your iCloud email address, and select Continue. 4. Choose I need to reset my password and click Continue. 5. You'll be given 2 options to reset your password: get an email or answer security questions. 6. If you choose get an email, Apple will send a password reset email to your recovery email address. Check your email, click on the link provided, and follow the prompts to reset your password. 7. If you choose Answer Security Questions, you'll need to correctly answer the security questions associated with your Apple ID. Once answered correctly, you'll be able to reset your password. And there you have it. We hope this guide has been helpful in retrieving your iCloud email address and password. Remember, to prevent future difficulties in accessing your account, make sure you keep your recovery information up to date. See you in the next video.